crankcases for two-wheelers, battery terminals powering India, all forged with precision in one plant at Chakan. Because here, a single defect is one too many.
It is very difficult to get one client. It takes a lot of time and persistence and money and efforts. But if I just deliver one component which is very faulty, that's the last day of my order.
Before venturing into manufacturing, for 15 years in Dubai, he turned ideas into reality with Lintas. Then COVID changed everything.
I came back in 2020, 2-3 friends, we said, let's start this.
The instinct wasn't new. His father left a farming village with nothing and built a transport business specializing in oversized cargo.
There was quite a bit of struggle because had he not migrated from a farmer village to Mumbai, I wouldn't have seen what I'm seeing right now. I wouldn't have gone to.
Elicast began with alloys. Then came die casting. Its breakthrough was CI crankcases, one of the toughest parts to certify. Once that was proven, the orders followed.
We are probably the small size, we are the only ones who has an ETP plant also.
हमारे जो डायरेक्टर है मिस्टर प्रसाद गिरी सर, उनका बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट हमें रहा है। हम लोग सब टीम मिलके यहाँ पे जो भी ग्रोथ हो रहा है सब टीम वर्क है, टीम मिलके कर रहे हैं, जिसमें मैनेजमेंट का सपोर्ट भी 101% मिल रहा है।
From one idea to a growing manufacturing business, Elicast continues to scale. Trusted by manufacturers across India. Now, it's building its next plant for the future of electric mobility.
I'm 57 now and I'm still learning. So you have to keep on updating yourself, upgrading yourself, or else you'll be left behind.
His father came to Mumbai with nothing. Today, Prasad is building the future he once imagined.